What's up guys, Rob Shoecraft here with Storm Fitness, and I want to show you just something I've been working on. I've been messing a lot lately mainly in my head, but I plan on messing a lot in actual reality, continuing to, with custom cables for doing all sorts of different exercises, basically converting my power rack into different types of machines. So, you know, as you may know, if you subscribe to this channel, hey, subscribe to this channel. I've used a lot of Spud products in the past, and I like them a lot. I still love them. And one of the first purchases, I think the first purchase I made from Spud was their Econo Pulley system. And it's great. I've used it a million times probably between me and my clients. I'm not going to talk too much about it, because I already have, but it does have some, it has some downsides. Mainly, functionally speaking, in terms of, like if you're doing a lat pull down, you can't really do a true vertical pull down with it, at least not easily. And that's just because you're going to have the plate swinging and hitting you just on the setup. If you don't, I'll link to a video of the review if you really want to check it out. But basically, it's not like a true pull down, like you would if you were to use a pull down, an isolated pull down machine. So I wanted to kind of try to capture that with my power rack. So I bought a huge spool, I think 200 feet of cable. This is a quarter inch cable with the nylon coating. So I think altogether it's, I don't know, but it's more than a quarter inch. I know that. It's very, very heavy duty. I bought a swaging tool. I made this guy here. I got thimbles. The Spud ones don't come with thimbles. I got these so that you can attach carabiners to it and it won't fray the wire. This thing will not snap. I could probably, if I was strong enough, lift my car with it and it'd be totally fine. This one, I measured for my power rack. I'll rig it up here in a second. And I measured for my power rack so that I could have a true pull down and get my legs underneath one of the, I organized the safety pins there so that I could put my legs underneath it, kind of like on a pull down machine. You have the pads on top of your legs, so that if you're pulling down like more than your body weight, you know, you can really isolate the back while you do it. And so basically how I have it set up is one pulley in the back, one pulley in the front, and I have the cable going up, over, and down. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to fine tune this system here soon. I'm working on doing the same thing, a cable squat machine. So basically what I want to try to do is set it up so that I can squat with my feet on the floor, or at least maybe on, I was messing around with a couple 4x4s and some 45-pound plates, which makes a pretty good system. It works anyway. It's not pretty, but it works. Like most things in here, including myself. I don't always work. Anyways, but it all requires, you know, the catch is, I'm sure the reason Spud hasn't released like a squat belt system is because, well, they have a squat belt, which is great, which is what I would use with it, but is because every power rack is going to be a little different and you're going to have to measure accordingly. So that's what I've been doing. I got these pulleys attached to it. I was an idiot and I ordered fixed eye pulleys, so you have to put this on before you terminate the ends. I just ordered a few more with a removable pin so I could be a little more flexible with it. Anyways, these things are very solid. They're 3-inch, 800-pound capacity. They are monsters. Okay, so let me show you how I rig this thing up. All right, so I got these carabiners here. When I first measured, I measured with these little orange nylon straps, which are great, but what I didn't realize, and it's like stupid now, in hindsight of course, was that when you put tension on the pulley, on the cables rather, I don't know if you can see this, but the orange bands will pull in as far as they can, thus shortening the distance and basically negating the custom measurements that I made. So what I did was I got these huge carabiners here which are a little closer. They go right around the pull-up bar directly. I'm gonna keep working on that. I'm gonna get some adjustable straps, maybe like Hammock Straps. One of my friends, check him out, Mark, over at Garage Gym 401 and Road Recycler Facebook groups. Great place to get used equipment. He told me, I'm going off on a tangent here, but the Road Henny system. He said he was telling me he knows some dudes who just bought some like cheap hammock straps from Amazon for like $10 and basically kind of made the same thing. I'm thinking I might be able to do the same kind of thing with adjustable loops, or a selection of loops for adjustments down the road. So just some things I'm playing with. So anyways, I strap this in here, right? Now, I can't talk and work at the same time. Strap the pulley in, just a little swivel eye at the top. Strap that in here. Twist that lock close, although I don't really think I have to. Alright, got that in. I'll do the same over on this one. Boom. Alright. Got that there. Now I'll take a loading pin. I just did a video on using like motorcycle tie downs for loading pins, but yeah, screw it, I'll use one of those. Nice if I got a carabiner ahead of time. Hang on. Put a carabiner around the thimble here on the other side. I think I actually measured this for my Spud loading pin, so it might not even touch the ground. Yeah, that's what I did. Sorry guys, hang on a second. Okay, got this here, and then I got this is that Spud Laxall, pretty cool little device. Put that on here. I'll take my safety pipe. Again, this is what's going to kind of like keep my legs down. If I was using weight heavy enough to need it anyway. Okay, get that on the flow. Okay, and now I got, I didn't put that low enough, but you get the picture. Now I got a true vertical pull down here. I have the weight on the other side. Alright, I think you get the picture. That's it. So that's a little something I'm working on. As I come up with new configurations for that, I'll let you guys know. If I get really good at swaging and making cables and custom links and stuff, maybe I'll start selling them. I don't know. If you'd be interested in buying a cable for, I don't know. Just watch the video, see what I come up with. If it looks cool to you, hit me up and I'll maybe make you one if you're interested. Or I'll tell you where I got all the tools and you can make one yourself. I'll probably make another video showing how I made them, and then we'll talk. Okay, cool. Subscribe to this channel, and let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day.